Good morning. I hope everyone is having a blessed day today. And this morning I will be cooking sausage, biscuits, grits, cheese and egg, and having them some yogurt. So I hope you all enjoy my video. Don't forget to subscribe. Ham spray. Going to put my biscuits in there in the oven. Got my sausage cooking. Got my water getting hot for my grits. I do that to make sure my biscuits really don't stick, even though I have runner's wrap in there. Grits down from it and I'll start popping. You know, I got to start recording on my iPad because my phone storage, I'm not going to let it frustrate me this morning. No, I'm not. We're going to get this done. I said I want to be consistent, and that's what I'm going to be. Consistent. So this is my sausage. Since I had to switch from my from my phone to my iPad, I hope it don't mess it up. I hope y'all understand because I've been having trouble with storage and I want to get this video out and I cannot let storage stop me. I'm about to stir these grits up some more. Make sure they don't get lumpy like. And I'm about to take this sausage off. It looked like it's about done. So I'm about to take that off. Stir the eggs up some more. So now ask how y'all day been or week been. My storage started messing up. So we're not going to keep talking about this storage. I'm checking on the biscuits. We're gonna let them cook a little bit more, and I'm gonna add some cheese to it, and we're gonna have us some cheese biscuits. How y'all think my cheese and eggs looking? I think it's looking pretty good. I'm gonna add a little bit more pepper to it, a little bit more. But like I was saying, I'm not gonna let this storage, you know, get me down this morning. You got to keep going. I'm going to defeat this devil. Because that's all it is. And we will get through it. So if we will get through it. Look at my grits. I got to check on my biscuits and put the cheese in it. Check on the biscuits right quick. Taking the biscuits out. I'm gonna add some cheese in it and let it sit in the oven with the stove off because the oven's still hot anyway. I'm about to take my sausage off. I asked the kids how many pieces they wanted. If they said one, they get one. If they said two, they get two. But we're not going over two. So when I fix their plates, y'all will see who said one and who said two. About to open these biscuits up, each one, and I'm gonna drop cheese inside. Biscuits hot. I'm just pulling them up for right now. And yeah, I hope I'm getting y'all a good angle right here. About to drop the cheese in here now. I got Logan holding the cheese for me so I can record. So thank you, Logan.
You're welcome.
Sometimes you just need help, and I know I do. We're gonna break that on top. Now, you know what? I add a little bit to the top. Not much. Put it on top. It's gonna be good. I don't need no more. So that's how my biscuits looking with the cheese. I'm about to put it back in the oven. This is how my eggs looking. I turned it off. My grits is looking good also. No lumps or anything. Perfect. And this is my sausage over here. I add a little bit more salt and pepper to my grits. And this is going to be a good breakfast. Yes. Them grits will make you full because stick to the bottom of your stomach. Yes. Love. My food is made with plenty love. My grits is done. So I'm going to turn them off. For whoever wants cheese in their grits, we're going to have us some cheese grits also. So they are done. I'm about to fix these plates. The cheese should be melted inside the biscuits. So I'm about to take this out. Take this out right now. Turn this stove. So yeah, everything is done. This the cheese and eggs. This the biscuits. This the grits. And this the sausages. And I'm about to fix plates. Oop, I'm making a mess already. TJ, you don't want no eggs? TJ want 1 kilo, 1, 2, 1.2. Sasha, right?
No, he said 2.
He said 2, so I get him this plate right here. He wants yogurt. Kayla, she wants yogurt. This is everyone's plate. Tell me how everything look. This is their breakfast. Their big breakfast. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, I want you to please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And always, thanks for watching. I'm gonna put some cheese on Logan grits.
He threw this at my hand.
TJ got an attitude.
They're good.
Thanks for watching. Bye.